looking for the place. It's kind of noisy in here. But I'm gonna try to figure it out. This is nice. It's beautiful.
Dave, you're back already?
So see, there's a dog. This is so cute. Okay, for the kiddos. That's for the kiddos. I'm too old to be clamming myself in there. Only if I had younger kiddos, I would be up here every week probably with them. Just hanging out. I miss them. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. I like that there's restrooms everywhere. Yeah. So I think I found my spot that I want to hang out in. I think that's what I have done because it's not a big place, so I've kind of circled the area. Oh, here's one. Oh, is this the same area? Yeah, this is. I didn't realize it. Okay, I thought I had done something different, but I haven't. So I'm gonna sit right over here and I'm gonna talk to you guys. Let me see if I can pop up my phone. Let's see. Hi. I'm gonna see if I can pop up my phone.
Can I use these for a minute?
Yes, of course you can. She's so cute. I love her. She said, "Can I use these for a minute?" Of course, they're not mine.
Oh, look up there. There's a bunch of birds. Look out with your binoculars.
I'm going to figure it out here. Let me see. I'm gonna let the young lady play. Get out of her way for a minute, and then we'll go into the video. But for now, look at this one. Don't it look fun? Don't it look fun? This is cute. This is cute. I guess you guys are like, look, you didn't turn on this video for this. I know y'all didn't, and I promise I'm getting ready to get to it. So, you know what? I'll just talk about it. I won't worry about putting my face in it because that's what I'm trying to do. And I'm just not going to be able to do it. So, why I stopped doing hair installations. Hair weaves, wigs, and things like that. Why did I stop? Well, because first of all, it's not pleasing to the Most High. That was the number one reason. 2016, I went to Texas. I kind of had like it was the start of a stronger walk with the Most High. I had been in church and things like that, but for some reason when I was there, I spent a lot of time in nature, and it was so refreshing, and the Most High was just dealing with me about different things, and that was one of the things that I had learned about how hair is offered up to idols and deities. So when I came back in 2017 to Michigan, when I came back, that was, I had that in mind that I was gonna leave the weaves alone. So for a while, I would just not work with that human hair. I would work with the more processed human hair because I thought that it was somewhat different. But as time had gone on, the Most High, He really convicted me. He got on me, and I'm not mad about it. I'm glad that He did. And eventually, I stopped. It was not pleasing to Him. I don't know what else to say. It was not pleasing to Him. And I was being a partaker in the demise of his daughters, which are my sisters. Okay, I was being a partaker in their confusion, in their demise, and in their destruction. And I could not do it anymore. And also, it's an exchange of spirits. When you have someone else's hair on your head, you are also consuming their energy. You don't know who that person is. You don't know what they were about, and it wouldn't matter even if they were the best person. You don't need to have anybody's hair on your head. Like, it's just, you wear your hair. Just wear your hair. That's what the Most High gave to you. Just wear yours. And also, let me interject this, because I know that some may look at this video and feel like I'm being judgmental. I am not intentionally. If I am, if you're taking it like that, I'm sorry. But it's not my intentions to judge or shame anyone, okay? Because at one point in my life, I was also a hair wearer. And I will wear hair from time to time. And I got to a point to where I stopped. It wasn't a thing that I would regularly do anyways. I would mostly do it if I cut my hair short, and then I said, well, I want to grow it back out, so I'm going to, put some hair on my head so, my hair can grow back out. I would do it for reasons like that. So, anyways, I don't want to shame anybody. I am really here as a help to you, to help you to get your hair back if that's your desire. If your desire is to please the Most High God, the Most High, the Creator, if that is your desire, and you're like, I don't know where to start, I don't know what to do, contact me, reach out to me. My email is in the description. Reach out to me. However I can help you, I will help you. I will answer some questions if you have questions. I also have a site that where I sell natural products that's completely natural. Where there's no fillers and preservatives and things like that. So things like that I've used, that I make homemade for myself and for other people. So you are welcome to explore vernahairandbody.com. Or, like I said, if you have questions, feel free to ask your questions, and I will do my best to give out answers to your questions, because I do want to see the Most High's daughters coming out of the weaves, the wigs, the hair extensions, the braids, all of that well, not natural braids, but the added braids. And the reason why is because He is not pleased with that. Not long ago, I had a vision, and in this short vision, it was kind of like a daydream almost, but it was a vision. It happened in the daytime. It wasn't a dream or anything. And as I was praying, I was talking to the Most High, and as I'm talking to Him, I'm seeing His daughters, the daughters of Zion. They're taking off wigs, they're taking out weaves, they're taking out eyelashes, they're wiping off makeup, and they're landing right at His feet. And it was so beautiful, because that's His desire. That's what He's calling for, sister. That is what He's calling. He is not pleased with all of this idolatry, because that's what it is. When we have on weaves, when we have on makeup, when we have on eyelashes and everything that He has not naturally given to us, we are clothed and dressed in idolatry. When we are like that, we are not showing that we're submitted to Him. Actually, we're showing that we're contrary, because it's about us. It's about us, what we think is good, what we want, you know. And to be in your natural state as a woman, as a daughter of the Most High, that is showing that you are in subjection to Him, that you are given to Him, that you are submitted to Him. When you are consumed and clothed in idolatry, you're submitted to that deity, not to the Most High. Even if you speak of Him, you're still not submitted to Him. And He may even answer a few prayers here and there, but you're not reaching your highest potential. He has a place for you to be. He has a place for me to be. There's a place for all of us to be as women. And we never reach our full potential when we do not lay idolatry down. That was the biggest sin of our ancestors. It was idolatry. It was always idolatry. And yes, they ate every day. And yes, they woke up. They had clothes. They had their basic needs met. But they were also given to captivity. The Most High would send people to warn them. He would send prophets to warn them. And they would not listen. And so they ended up in captivity. And that's why we are here in America. Because of our ancestors. Because we are in captivity. We may not realize that because we get to have the dainties that the kings give us. Not the kings of the earth. I'm not talking about the Most High. So some of us are deceived and don't realize that we are. This is not our country. We can't really call no shots. That's why people are protesting. I won't even get into that. This video is about why I stopped doing hair wigs. And I'm encouraging my sisters, the daughters of the Most High Yahudah, to come out of that life and dependency. And you may even find that it's a stronghold, and it probably is for some. You may even find that it's a stronghold because really that spirit may not want to let you go. The deity may not want to let you go. Satan is behind it. He may not want to let you go. So it may take some fasting. It may take some prayer. I will be praying in my closet, crying out for you to come out. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sis. I will be doing that. If you so desire. And if that's you, if you are struggling with that, just leave it in the comments. You ain't got to say no details. Just pray for me. Because I'm struggling in this area. Because we have to be real and authentic in this time too. And that's all I'm going to say. I love you, sisters, with the love of the Most High. And in these last days, I had did a short. I was talking about how our hair is our power. And it is. Because as we submit to the Most High and as we give ourselves to Him, He gives us power to wage war, to overcome, warfare. We can't fight if we're covered in idolatry. Hallelujah. That's all I'm going to say. Hallelujah. Bless you. Bless you, sister. Bless you. May the Most High be with you.